Hey cooks, today we're gonna do a first cook with the All-Clad Prep Cook. Now Eric got me this for my birthday, and this is a very interesting appliance because it's similar to a food processor in that it's got a chopper, it's got a whip in there, but the difference is it also has a cooker. So you can make sauces, stews, all kinds of stuff in this, and today we're gonna do a first try on this and we're gonna make a hollandaise sauce. So join me. Let's try out the All-Clad Prep Cook. So this is our Prep and Cook. And some of the things that's neat with this is it's a multifunction appliance, and it's a lot different than a lot of things we've used here in the US. So these appliances have existed over in Europe for a long time. There's something called the Thermomex. This actual very machine is sold by Allclad's parent company as the Cuisine Companion. But they've wrapped it up in a little All-Clad package, and now they're selling it here in the US. So it comes with a steamer basket, nice stainless steel. It comes with this box with your blades in it. So it comes with, unlock it here. I have one of the blades in the cooker. So it comes with your ultra blade, which is like a chopping blade. It comes with a dough blade. It comes with your whip, and it comes with a stirring blade that like chops and stirs. So one great thing is this will stir and do everything for us while it cooks. So this is your bowl, and in here it has like a little pouring spout there, and your lid comes off like this. The only thing I noticed, I've only used this one time so far, this piece here has to come off for you to be able to clean the inside, and it's kind of a pain to get off. They give you like this scraper, and you have to like stick it in here and pop this sucker off, and it makes a lot of noise. So you're sort of like, am I gonna break it, right? Here's our whip, and we're gonna be using this to make our hollandaise. So let me go ahead and plug this thing in. So this has cycles for making sauce, soup, simmering, steaming, pastry, and dessert. And all these are customizable because you can just change the speed on them. So if I go ahead and hit sauce, which defaults to speed 6, 160 degrees for 8 minutes, you can change the speeds plus or minus. You can change the temperature plus or minus, and you can change the time plus or minus. You just hit start. Cool, huh?
Do we have hollandaise sauce yet?
Not yet, well, we're about to. So let me grab the ingredients and I'll be right back. Okay, now it's time to have some fun with this cooker. So we're making a hollandaise sauce. We've made it in the past using just an immersion blender. If you want to check out that video, I'll put a link here and down in the description. But this is really a set it and forget it kind of way to make a sauce. So you can use a hollandaise for all kinds of different things. I love to eat it with some roasted asparagus, and I love to eat it on Eggs Benedict. That's what we're ultimately going to do. We're going to be testing out the DeMeyer egg poacher that Eric got me for my birthday. So stay tuned for that video. That will be up next. So here's our cooker. We're going to go ahead and take the lid off. And I have it fitted with our whip. So we're just going to go ahead and dump our ingredients here. So I have a stick of butter. It's shocking, but this is how you make hollandaise. There's no real way to make a light hollandaise. It's actually a real hollandaise. So I'm going to add 4 egg yolks. to our bowl here.
So baby, what you're saying is once you get past a stick of butter and 4 egg yolks,
yeah,
the rest is light.
Yeah. So I'm going to put in a tablespoon of water.
Well, that's good for you.
That's good for you, huh?
Yeah.
And we also need a tablespoon of lemon juice. And use fresh lemon juice when you're making hollandaise. Because you're making a beautiful homemade sauce, so you want to use, you know, the best ingredients that you can. I have a whole lemon here. I'm going to go ahead and juice this. Then I can use this a little bit of lemon juice in just some water. I could use it in a tea. Whatever's left over.
Use it in your special
lemonade.
What's up Wednesday drink.
So we're going to go ahead. We just need a tablespoon here. We want to keep it from getting seeds in there. So we got our tablespoon. I'm going to give it a little bit of salt and a wee bit of pepper. And I'm going to give it a dash of cayenne. You don't have to do that, but that's how I am, right? And we're going to get our lid on. So the cooker's on. We're going to just use the sauce setting. And fortunately for us, we're doing speed 6, 160 degrees for 8 minutes. So we're going with the straight default. And we're going to go ahead and hit start. And this machine is going to make our hollandaise sauce. So when it's done, our sauce will be done. It's going to whip it for the 8 minutes. It's going to heat it to the perfect 160 degrees, and it'll be ready to go. So when this sauce is done, we'll be back.
So you can sit there and watch some Amy Learns to Cook on YouTube while it's making it.
Yeah. Okay, so the sauce is done. The machine automatically went into a keep warm setting. That means it dropped the temperature down to 150, and it dropped it down to speed 4. So we're going to... Ooh, oh my gosh. Looks fantastic. Wow. Look at our hollandaise. It's absolutely beautiful. Wow. This is how to make hollandaise, right, Boo?
Not out of a packet, Boo-Boo?
Definitely not out of
Just
a packet.
add water? No?
Let me taste it. It is fantastic. A little bit of lemon makes a brightness to it. It has all the richness and the luxuriousness that you want in a hollandaise. This is absolutely fantastic. It's my new favorite way to make a hollandaise. You can make a hollandaise with an immersion blender, but this is great. And it also, because you're heating it, it sort of gets rid of that, you know, the risk of just having raw egg in there, because you are heating it to 160. So it's so good. I give the All-Clad Prep and Cook thumbs up for this sauce. So stay tuned. We're gonna keep this hollandaise sauce on warm in this cooker, and we're gonna poach some eggs and make a Eggs Benedict. We're going to be trying out the brand new poacher that Eric got me for my birthday. So yeah. So I'm going to leave this on keep warm. We are going to be doing the eggs in the egg poacher to try that baby out, and we're going to make some Eggs Benedict. So stay tuned. That'll be our next upload. If you like this kind of video, please subscribe below and give us a comment and a like. Tell me what you think about the All-Clad Prep and Cook. I'm really excited to really take this through its paces and see what it can do. Also, visit my website at amylearnstocook.com, as well as visit me on social media at facebook.com/groups/amylearnstocook. That's my Facebook group. We talk about cooking and gadgets and recipes and all that fun stuff in that group, and you get to see what other people are cooking as well. Also, you can catch me on Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook, and on Instagram, I'm at Cookin' with Amy. Happy hollandaise sauce making. So it comes with a steamer basket. Woo!